going on, guys? So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to rig different types of lures. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little overview of everything you're gonna need, and all the lures that I'm gonna be showing you how to rig. So yeah, if you do like this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the supplies pretty much. Alright, so this is all the stuff you're gonna need. So the first lure is a paddle tail soft plastic swim bait, Cinco, craw, and a fluke. This is just like some normal stuff. Then you're gonna need some scissors. Now terminal tackle, you're gonna need bullet weight, O-ring, a swim bait hook, a worm hook, and a wacky hook. But I don't. You're normally wacky worm fish, and I'm gonna try to start learning how to do it. And I think I got the wrong hooks for it, but I'm pretty sure you can use circle hooks too. Yeah, I also forgot one more thing, so I'm gonna go get that and I'll show you guys. The next thing you're gonna need is some weight stops. So I've never used them before, so if I mess up, bear with me. Never used them before. I'm gonna try them in this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to do this. Alright, so I just watched a video on how to do the bobber stopper. So, I mean, not bobber stopper, weight stop, or whatever you want to call it. So what he said to do is, he said take a couple of inches of line and go through one of the little holes on the weight stop. You're just gonna go through. Alright, and then now that you're in it, you're gonna pull the bobber stopper off, is what he said. So okay, this is harder than it looks. He said it's easy, but I don't know if I did it right. Alright, well, that's pretty much all you do, but I'm gonna get back to you when I do this. So I got the bobber stopper on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my bullet weight on. So I'll take it, you're just gonna slide your bullet weight straight on, like this. So this is the Texas rig, is what I'm gonna teach you right now. So now, the weight cannot move whatsoever, so that's what that does. Then you're just gonna wanna tie on your hook. Now, I did do a full how to set up a baitcaster full tutorial video, and I did like all the knot time and everything, so if you guys want to go check that out, link will be in the description. So alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I have everything rigged right here. Got the bobber stop or weight stop, the bullet weight, and the worm hook. So the first thing I'm gonna rig is the craw fish bait. So how you're gonna do this is you're gonna take the back of it right here. You're gonna wanna take your hook, just like your normal Texas rig, but you have to rig it from the back. Go up, just like that. Slide it. Go up all the way to the top to where it's covering your knot. Just like this. You want to twist it. And then just go from right here. You're going to actually first you're going to see where your bait is going to be going. So it's going to be like right in here, or where your hooks need to be going. And then boom. And if you want to make it weedless, you're going to push it like so there's a hook right now, it's exposed. So you're going to take your bait, push it up, and then in. Oh, it's going to be kind of hard with this kind of lure, but there, it's kind of weedless, kind of not. It'll come out like almost every cast, but yep, that's how you rig a crawfish right there. Alright, so the next bait is going to be a fluke. So you're going to rig this weightless. with a 3/0 wide gap worm hook. So what you're gonna do, just like a normal Texas rig, go through the top, go through the top, out like this, and then go all the way up to the top where your knot will be. Push up, push over the knot if you have it. I'll twist it, and then now you have this, and then you're gonna find out where your hook's gonna go. So mine's gonna go right here, and you're just gonna bend it to where you can get right there, and boom, there is your fluke all rigged and ready to go. And yeah, you're gonna want to fish this weightless. If I hadn't already mentioned that, and now it's weightless. So yeah, that's how you rig a fluke. Now we're gonna get into a little bit of harder stuff. So what we got here is I'm gonna be using some pliers. Now I don't have a wacky tool yet because I'm still working on trying to figure out how to wacky rig anything. So what I'm gonna do with the pliers, I'm gonna take the O-ring right here. Take an O-ring. You're gonna put it on the top of the pliers. Just like this, almost. Alright, just like that. Now that's like that. You're just gonna make it, like, just pull it like that. You're just gonna slide your Senko in it. Should be pretty easy to do. Yep, pretty easy. And then once you're done, you're just gonna slide that O-ring right off. Just like this. It kind of damages the bait, which is not good, but it works. Just like that. Then you're going to want to take your circle hook or wacky hook right here, slide it through the O-ring. Oh, hold on. Just like this. Then now you're ready to go wacky fishing. Now, the thing about wacky fishing, it is a finesse bait, so you're going to fish it on a spinning rod. But yeah, so that's how you rig a wacky rig. Alright, so the next thing is a paddle tail swim bait. This is a Guggen swim bait. So I have too small of a hook for this. I don't have any other hooks, weighted hooks. So, but it's still gonna work the same just for doing, teaching y'all. So, first you're gonna take your hook and your swim bait, and it's got this little corkscrew right here. You're gonna take the front of it right here. You're gonna wanna kind of feed that through it. Just like this. Now that it is like almost seated, yep, there we go. You're gonna wanna find where your hook is gonna go, just like every other bait we've looked at. You're just gonna push it through like that. But yeah, I have too small of a hook. You're recommended to do a 5/0, but yeah, that's how you do a soft plastic paddle tail swim bait. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy and you like this kind of content. So I'm pretty happy with how this video turned out. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.